Hi everyone, welcome to the Random Video Factory. Today my daughter's going to be cutting up a
Halloween squishy.
Halloween squishy. So she's interested to see what's inside. So she asked for permission if it was okay to cut it open, and I said sure. So here we go.
I'm going to cut it on the hat. Or on the hand. Hand.
Ow. Oh. What are those?
Babies.
If you're a child, please make sure you ask your parents for permission if you want to do this. Don't get in trouble. I thought it had water inside. It doesn't.
Nope.
What is that big one right there? Do you see it?
Yeah.
Okay,
Wait,
so
there's
show
more.
them how it looks when they're... Oh, there's more.
Yeah, there's more. There's more. There's more still. Think? No, there's still more on the leg. And in the head. Okay, that's for sure it.
Okay, so that's how it looks empty.
Ooh,
It still
look.
looks pretty cute.
Yeah.
Only that it's missing a hand.
It's like a zombie, kind of.
It's a zombie. And these are the things that were inside. How do they feel? Slimy?
Yeah, kind of. And what is the big thing?
What was that?
I don't know. Maybe.
Oh, that's the hand that's a piece of hand.
Oh, yeah.
That's a piece of hand. Okay, you guys, that's it. Now it's a zombie pumpkin. Thank you guys for watching. We will talk to you guys later.
Bye.